buhay ko. Wala na bang banda? Wala na bang kinalagay sa onak?
Meron ka ba ka?
Marami pa akong nabubuhat. Nakitag ako. Yan. Pagkita ako. So, as you can see, we are here in JJ's Bigasan Store. So, itong mga ito, i-deliver namin to sa umorder ng bigas.
Sa catering.
Catering ba yung order?
Oo, catering.
Okay, we have a lot of variety here. As you can see, we have this 5 Golden Dragon. This one, Sweet Pandan, Premium Sinandomeng, Pigeon,
Malagkit. Malagkit siya, malagkit.
Malagkit in Tagalog, sticky in English.
Glutinous.
Glutinous. Okay, this one is soft rice, gold, premium, elephant, etc.
Kailangan mo bang interviewin dito yung pinakamalupit? Asa ba yun? Para i-explain sa'yo yung bigas?
Okay, asa na?
Asa ba?
I-post mo na. Okay guys, we have here Mr. Roberick Llanes, double L, A-N-E-S. So he will explain to us what is the difference between of this kind of this rice here and this one. Okay, Mr. Roberick, double L-A-N-E-S. Okay, I will explain it to you. This one is the premium rice, which is used in premium restaurant like a Vikings, Yakimix. And this one, this premium Sinandomeng, mostly they are using this kind of rice in Manghinasal, this eat all you can unlimited rice rather. Also in Andox you can see this kind of rice. Guys, this one, as I said before, one of our best seller rice here, because you know what, this is a very good rice in household, in our home. So ito yung madalasang masarap saing. Okay? This Yasmin, broken. Same lang sila guys. Same variety but as you can see, same variety lang sila guys. Pero you will notice that this Yasmin is broken. Kaya medyo mas mura siya. The price is less than here. So this one is green. This one is a whole grain, this one is a broken grain. We have a two layer of variety of the rice here. In the upper side, all of this are local rice. When we say local rice, made in Philippines, mostly in Nueva Ecija, because Nueva Ecija is the rice granary of the Philippines. And this one is the imported rice, except this one. Okay? Elephant rice, made in Thailand. Ito, Authenticate Premium green rice, made in Vietnam. And this one, aromatic, Japanese, and same. Thank you. Okay guys, kung order kayo, if you want to order like this one, pakita mo, order wholesale rice, we will give you a big discount. But if you order per kilo, as is, kung ano yung nakikita nyo yung presyo dyan, yan na yan. Yan na yung presyo dyan. Okay, dito tayo. Yan. So guys, ito yung CEO ng JJ, si Mr. Celtics, Boston number 00. Ayan guys.
Yan.
Ayan guys, yan ang pinaka-kon dyan. Okay guys, listen. So we have here Thai Elephant Super Alsa. When we say Super Alsa, when you cook this one, in other term is
Maalsa.
Maalsa, yung nag-expand, madali siya mag-expand. Ganon. So, if you are planning to make a restaurant, this is very suitable for your choice. Ito ang pinaka-the best kasi maalsa siya pagka kita nyo. Okay, next. Aroma, ano ba to?
Aroma pandan.
Aroma pandan. So, meaning, aroma means when you cook this one, it smells very good smell. Okay. And this one, as you notice, this is the very big quantity here. This perfect grade.
Best seller.
Best seller, guys. As you will notice. So guys, as you can see there, it's around 300 sacks of perfect grade. And this one, guys, this color green here is sweet pandan. Sweet pandan. Ito, sweet pandan. Yan. Sweet pandan. Okay? But guys, this is imported from Thailand. This variety of rice is imported from Thailand. Alsa. So nakalimutan ko, meron din pala kaming mga 5 kilos. 5 kilos guys. Ito para sa mga nagda-diet. Brown rice, whole grain, goodness, my goodness, zero cholesterol, vitamins and minerals, high fiber, heart friendly. So guys, para sa mga nagda-diet ito guys, or sa mga healthy living, ito yung in-order nila. Yan. So guys, if you want to order, just contact this number 0915-953-1564 or just visit in our page JJ's Bigasan. So located in Porci 1A Naga Road, Pulang Lupa 1, Las Piñas City, in front of Zarate General Hospital and Zarate College. So guys, dito yung location namin. So kung order kayo ng bultuhan, ito, free delivery yan guys, free delivery. So dito lang yan guys, makikita nyo. Ayan guys. Thank you very much.
Araw-araw sipag lang, hayaan mo silang sa'yo'y humahadlang. Huwag ihinto, tuloy-tuloy mo lang, diretso lang kahit meron pang humarang. Araw-araw sipag lang, hayaan mo silang sa'yo'y humahadlang. Huwag ihinto, tuloy-tuloy mo lang, diretso lang kahit meron pang humarang. Kala ko dating ganito na lang, bala ko dati huminto na lang, akala ko dati wala nang mapapala, mabuti na lang hindi pa ako nadadala. Kung pinanghihinaan ka ngayon, balikan bakit mo sinimulan to? Anong dahilan ba't ginawa mo? Ngayon ka pa nga ba hihinto? Malayo-layo na rin na narating mo. Gawin ang lahat na nasa isip mo, wag mo nang gawin na yung huminto. Cheers! Araw-araw sipag lang, hayaan mo silang sa'yo'y humahadlang. Huwag ihinto, tuloy-tuloy mo lang, diretso lang kahit meron pang humarang. Araw-araw sipag lang, hayaan mo silang sa'yo'y humahadlang.